This week I tried to come up with some muffin recipes and I had some experiments with them, but few of them failed. But it happens that I know a great person that was really kind to share her recipe with us. So I'm gonna show you this recipe and we're gonna make some really great muffins. And some of the future videos will not have an intro because my house is a total disaster right now. We remodel our bathroom and the furniture it's all over, dust everywhere. But I hope it's gonna turn out great and I'll keep you updated. Anyway, let's go make some muffins. So of course we're gonna need a bowl with some flour, baking powder and some salt. Whisk action and move on to another bowl. Melted butter in, sugar, milk, oil, Greek yogurt, eggs, vanilla extract, lemon juice, lemon zest. Ugh, so many damn ingredients. Whisk this together. Now add the wet ingredients over the dry ones and start to fold. Be sure to scrape the sides and get in there to break the lumps. You should not overwork this, but as long as you fold them slowly, you will be okay. Take your muffin pan and either spread some butter in the forms or use cupcake baking papers if you want to. I used frozen strawberries for this. It is okay if you have fresh ones, you can also use blueberries if that's what you want. The point is to mix them in the end. Throw them in little flour before adding them to the batter. Fold them and use spoons to put the batter in forms. You should fill this completely. We have to cook this at 200 degrees Celsius for around 15-20 minutes, depending on your oven of course. I had mine in for 20 minutes. A tip that I can give you is cook only one first and see how it goes. Then you can adjust the temperature and timing based on that. Maybe you need 205 degrees Celsius or 15 minutes. Anyway, check them with a toothpick before removing them from the oven. If you use frozen fruits, there will probably be more moisture in it. Now after those 20 minutes, this should be ready. Let them cool off before removing them from the pan. I love how simple this recipe is even if it has lots of ingredients. But they're just super easy to make and hard not to love this. Gonna break one to see the insides. The texture is amazing, a little moist, and the lemon strawberry flavor is just super good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please consider leaving a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more as I post every week. Oh, you can also have them with powdered sugar if you'd like to. And before ending this video, I want to thank my friend again for sending us this recipe. See ya next time!